Hello everybody, it's Paulie, Slaughter Food Creations. We've got egg, we've got tortilla into the pan, nice and hot. Crack our egg, put it in the hole in the center there, get it going. Got Chipotle black bean sauce here. Got garnish here of queso fresco, jalapeno, and escabeche, some carrot and onion that comes in that. So it's all good stuff to go with it. You can check out my recipe for Chipotle black bean sauce on my YouTube, Slaughter Food Creations. Link will be in the bio. I've got my egg and tortilla ready to flip. Nice and golden brown and crispy. Egg will be just over easy, so it'll be a little runny, which I like. Okay, we'll go ahead and get this out of here. And we put some of our black bean sauce, Chipotle black bean sauce. Like so. Queso fresco. Queso fresco. Jalapeno. Like that, like that, like that. Oh yeah. There you go. Looking good. Cheers to good food. Check me out, Slaughter Food Creations.